Welcome everyone. Nice to see you again at Global Bus. We appreciate your presence here, so without wasting your time, let's get started. Today's first headline: Russian shelling kills 8 and injured 17 in eastern Ukraine on Friday. Residential buildings, shops, a cultural building, and an administrative center were damaged, as well as a marketplace. Russian attacks on the eastern Ukraine city of Bakhmut killed 8 people and left 17 injured, the regional governor said on Friday, as Ukraine pushes to recapture swathes of Donbass. Our second headline: Flood losses likely to slash Pakistan's GDP to 3% from 5%. Pakistan's National Disaster Management Authority reported that the death toll from the deadly floods had climbed to 1,396, while the total number of injured stood over 1,700. The massive losses from the catastrophic monsoon rains and floods in Pakistan, the war in Ukraine, and other factors may force it to slash its GDP growth rate for the financial year 2022 from 5% to 3%, according to media reports on Saturday. Our third headline: New York governor declares disaster emergency after polio found in wastewater. The executive order comes more than a month after an adult in Rockland County, north of New York City, was diagnosed with the disease in July. New York Governor Kathy Hochul declared a state disaster emergency on Friday, after samples of the polio virus were discovered in wastewater in 3 counties outside of New York City. Our fourth headline: Don't obstruct India-backed projects, says Sri Lankan President Ranil Wickremesinghe. Sri Lanka's president asked officials to resolve obstacles to projects backed by India, a government statement said, without specifying what were the obstacles. Sri Lankan President Ranil Wickremesinghe on Friday advised officials to act immediately and amend government circulars if they impede Indian investment projects in the cash-strapped island nation. Our fifth and last headline: Prince Charles to be proclaimed as king on 10th September. Hundreds of people arrived through the night to leave flowers outside the gates of Buckingham Palace, the monarch's London home. As the British Houses of Parliament met in a special session to pay tributes to Queen Elizabeth, Buckingham Palace announced that her son Prince Charles will be proclaimed as king at a centuries-old ceremony. The event, which will be held at St. James Palace in London on Saturday. That's all we have for today. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. Stay tuned for more Global Bus. Thanks for watching.